following are equivalent to negative 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 all times negative 3x. So what I'm going to do is talk about which ones are equivalent and why. So if I said that this one was A and this one was B, right now they're written in the order of A times B. And we have this property in math that says the order of factors does not matter. So A times B is the same thing as B times A. That's the commutative property of multiplication. All right, so do any of them follow that? This doesn't look quite like it. They all have a negative 3x in common, so, I think they might have used the distributive property. Okay, and then on this one, we have B first times A. So here's B first, and then times A. So that one's going to be equivalent, because instead of A times B, it's just B times A. And then on this last one, that's crazy looking. Okay, so if we had this multiplier over here, we can actually distribute it inside like this. So we would have negative 2x squared times negative 3x, 5x times negative 3x, and 3 times negative 3x. So that one should also be the same thing because it's just the distributive property. And then let's see what happens if we actually do the combining of the terms there. So I'm going to use my area model. So I have negative 2x squared plus 5x plus 3, and that's times negative 3x. Oh, look at that. I didn't need that one. So negative 3x times negative 2x squared, well, negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6, and x squared times x is x cubed. 5x times negative 3x is negative 15x squared, and 3 times negative 3x is negative 9x. Well, look at that. 6x cubed, negative 15x squared, negative 9x. That one looks like it also works. Now this one looks like they multiplied everything together after distributing. But after you distribute, you still add. You don't multiply. So it looks like it should be 1, 2, and 3, but not 4. Let's go ahead and check that in our calculator. So in order to do this, I'm going to add a calculator page to a new document, and I'm going to use the variable given in the problem of x and store it as a value. And for this time, I'm going to choose 3. Just felt like it, that's why. So I'm going to have negative 2x squared plus 5x plus 3, close, open, and that's all times negative 3x. Let's see what happens when we press enter. Oh, I got 0. So I need to see which of these other expressions also equals 0. I have 6x raised to the 3rd power minus 15x squared minus 9x. That one also gives me 0. And since the other one did, they should be equivalent. So I'm going to use the expression on number 2, which is negative 2x squared, close, open, times negative 3x, close, plus 5x times negative 3x, close, plus 3 times negative 3x. Got 0. Let's check that other one. We got negative 3x, close, open, negative 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. We got 0. Let's see about that last one. Negative 2x squared, close, open, negative 3x, close, open, negative 3x, close, open, 3, close, open, negative 3x, close. Not 0. Not even close. Because they multiplied everything together instead of adding. Silly, silly math problem. So it looks like it's just 1, 2, and 3. And we're done.